What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm starting a new series of the 5 plugins I use on every single mix. Let's go! Alright family, like I said, I'm starting a new series of the top 5 plugins I use on every single mix. That first plugin is going to be the Waves NLS channel, man. I love this plugin. Like I said, I use it on every single mix and it simply gets the job done, man. It never lets me down. Like I said, it makes it on every single mix. It just adds that subtle warmth to my mix, man. Just brings it all together. Enough talking. Let's head over to the computer, man, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let's go. All right, guys. So I have the Wave NLS channel here. NLS means non-linear summing. It's a great plugin by Waves, man. I recommend this plugin to everyone. At least give it a shot. And the great thing about this plugin, man, it gives you spot on sound from 3 famous consoles, man. All right, the first console is Spike Stent's Magical SSL 4000G. Then this mic. You have Mike Hedges Unique EMI TG12345 Mark IV. And then this last one, you have Yode's Nevos Customized Neve 5116, man. I love this plugin. Like I said, I use this plugin on every single mix. So let's go over the parts of this plugin. All right, so right here, this area right here, you have the meter. Here you have your links, your link switch. Here you have what studio you want to switch between, which console you want to use. Right here, you have your drive knob. Right here, you have your VCA groups. Down bottom here, you have, if you want to put it in mic mode, then you have your noise. Then you have your bypass switch. Here, you have your output. And here you have your VCA tab. All right, so I want to play this plugin, man. I'm going to play this song. Me personally, I love the Neve setting. It just fits majority of my mixes perfectly. So what I'm going to do, man, I'm going to cut this plugin off and I'm going to play it just so you guys can hear it without the plugin, and I'll play it. Again, this is without the plugin right here. Who is gonna make me stop? I need to get them double limbs, flipping them double limbs. I need the same thing for my Ken. All right, you guys heard that. Now let's cut on the plugin. Let you guys hear it. Forever. I need that penthouse suite all the way at the top. If we gon' take her seat, who is gonna make me stop? I need to get them double limbs, flipping them double limbs. I need the same thing for my Ken. Did y'all hear what this plugin is doing, man? It just adds a nice warmth to the vocals, to the beat, to the overall song, man. It just adds an overall warmth and just makes everything nice and thick. Pause. But anyway, so look, that's the Nevo setting. Let me play the Spike setting. I'm going to go through each setting so you guys can hear it. And this drive knob, you don't have to always put this drive knob at 12. You could dial it back a little bit if you choose to. I just put this on my master bus, man. Just let it rip. Let's play the Spike. Let you guys hear that. First shall be the last, so this gon' blast forever. I need that penthouse suite all the way at the top. The Spike is off. Who is gonna make me stop? I need to get them double limbs, flipping them double limbs. Now the Spike is on. Enemies and my friends, I need that penthouse suite all the way at the top. If we gon' take her seat, who is gonna? I like the sound of that Spike too, man. What do you guys think? Now let's play this mic. Forever. I need that penthouse suite all the way at the top. I like the way that mic sounds, man. Who is gonna make me stop? I need to get them
them double M's, flipping them double M's. I need the same thing for my kin, enemies and my friends. I need that penthouse suite, all the way at the top. A queen gon' take
and
her
this mic
seat.
is an EMI desk.
I need to get them double M's.
I like the way that sounds, man. That sounds really good. Now let's go to this Neve.
Last forever. I need that penthouse suite, all the way at the top. A queen gon' take her seat. Who is gon' make me stop? I need to get them double M's, flipping them double M's.
Whew, that sounds good too, man.
Enemies and my friends. I need that penthouse suite, all the way at the top. A queen gon' take her seat.
And like I said, you can increase the output. You could dial back on the actual drive. Again, let's go through those one more time just so you guys can hear it, man. Let's start with the spike.
Last forever. I need that penthouse suite, all the way
That's
at
that
the
spike.
top. Who gon' take her seat? Who is gon' make me stop? I need to get them double M's, flipping them double
That's that
M's.
mic. Oh, I like the way that mic sounds from that spike.
I need that penthouse suite, all the way at the top. A queen gon' take her seat. Who is gon' make me stop? I need to get them
All right, now we go to that Nevo.
double M's. I need the same thing for my kin, enemies and my friends. I need that. Yeah, I need that.
All right, guys. So which one do you like better? That mic is really starting to grow on me. But I love this Nevo, man. It just adds just enough warmth, just enough crisp to my overall records, man. Every once in a while, I'll throw in that mic or I'll throw in that spike as well. It's just all about what sounds best. You know, man, if you guys don't have this plugin, you definitely should give it a try, man. Like I said, this is one of my go-tos. I use this thing on every single mix. It's easy to use. Man, just give it a shot if you don't have it. Yes, sir. That Waves NLS channel, man, is amazing. I know you guys are feeling the sound, man. I know you guys are really enjoying it too. So look, check this out. If you've never tried it, man, head on over to Waves. I know Waves, they're in a lot of hot water right now, but hey, give them a shot, man. This plugin is a beast. Make sure you check it out, man. Also, if you use the NLS channel, man, be sure to leave it in the comments below. Let me know how you use it and let me know your thoughts about it, man. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. Got a lot of templates on there, a lot of content, just a lot of information, man. Be sure to check out that website, man. Hey, it's your boy Gels. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.